Welcome. Today, we're diving into an exciting new update on Instagram that allows you to send likes in chats directly from your PC. This feature enhances your messaging experience, making it easier to express your feelings without typing a word. Let's go through the steps together. First, you need to open Instagram on your computer. You can do this by navigating to the Instagram website and logging into your account. Once you're in, you'll find yourself on the familiar homepage filled with posts and stories from those you follow. Next, locate the messages icon on the left menu. This icon looks like a paper airplane and is typically situated towards the bottom of the menu. Clicking on it will take you to your direct messages, where all your conversations are stored. Now it's time to open the chat you want to send a like to. Scroll through your list of conversations until you find the one you'd like to engage with. Click on that chat to open it up. Here, you can see all the messages exchanged between you and that person. Once you're in the chat, look for the like icon at the message box. This icon is represented by a heart symbol. Clicking on this heart will send a like to the specific message you want to acknowledge. It's a quick and simple way to show appreciation for something your friend has shared without needing to type out a response. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can now send likes in your Instagram chats right from your PC. This new feature not only makes interactions more engaging, but also adds a fun element to your conversations. So go ahead and give it a try. Thank you for tuning in, and don't forget to check back for more updates and tips on using Instagram effectively.